Una persona, por favor. Gracias. End of August is getting very warm and sunny in Buenos Aires. Today we come to this place called Jardín Japonés, Japanese garden in Buenos Aires. I have to say, I'm very impressed with this garden already. It's huge, it's beautiful, and it is very Japanese. I feel like I'm in the Shinjuku Goyen. Previously, I introduced the Japanese club in Mexico City. To be honest with you, this one is way much nicer. With that being said, there's an entrance fee here. The entrance fee is 416 pesos. It's less than $1.50. I think it's really worth it. What are you going to see from here? It's not that far. They also have the very traditional Japanese light. You can write your wishes and blessing on the paper and put it here. It has a tea house here. I think it's inside, but we are not able to pass through. Wow, this is so nice. I think this is another kind of Japanese flower. Not sure. It has a temple bell here. Oh, it is donated by all these people. The snack area. Let's see what they're selling. Asian ice cream. I'm not sure if that's Japanese or Korean. Ice cream alfajores. Japanese dessert. Ooh. Local snacks. Okay, not bad. At least they have something quite Japanese. You can get this little paper here to write your blessing and wishes. And they also sell omamori. This is the omamori.
Omamori, sí.
I think it's also for the blessing. It is a pencil, 200 pesos, and the omamori is 350. They also have some fortune telling paper here. It's 100 pesos. Oh, fortune cookies as well. 50 pesos. The fortune telling is called omikuchi. It is exactly the same as those commercial temples in Japan. It has a Japanese restaurant. Should I try that? It looks like the one in Japanese club in Mexico City. To be honest with you, I've never seen this kind of restaurant building in Japan. Oh, it teaches you how to make the paper heart. It also has some cultural classes. It's a beautiful map. This little piece of paper is 50 pesos.
Es de acá, pero el gobierno de Japón ayudó.
I just asked the lady, it is sort of sponsored by the Japanese government. Japanese architecture models. I think these are the famous one. This one is in Kyoto. I always call it as the lucky cat. It shows the traditional art as well as the Pikachu. I come to the second floor of the restaurant. You can gaze the view of the whole garden. Let's go inside and have some lunch. Never try, never know. Let's take a look at the menu. Oh, they have breakfast, lunch, afternoon tea and dinner. It has a lot of choices, but it doesn't have any Japanese character. And it doesn't have any pictures. To play safe, I order a kachudon. I order a glass of lemonade as my drink because they only have Pepsi. The appetizer looks like a leftover. Everywhere is using a paper straw in Buenos Aires. My katsudon, which has deep fried pork chop, onion, egg, and rice. I hope it's good. Provecho. It is not bad. They put some Japanese ginger at the bottom of the drink. It's a bit weird. I'm surprised today is weekday, but there are lots of visitors. People are even queuing up in front of the restaurant for lunch. I'm sure it will be packed on the weekend. It shows you where to visit in Japan. Wow. Should I go next year? Oh, it also shows you where to go in Argentina. Fair enough. Souvenir. Let's see what they have. Ooh. Comic characters. Oh, it's for sake. Stationery. The paper art paper. How do you call that? I bought something similar before, but not here.
¿Y esto qué es?
Well, definitely is a little Japan here.
Totoro.
Are there any fish? Where are the fish? Sleeping? People are queuing up there to take a picture, and I just walked from there and took a picture. Wrong, I didn't know. Oh, fish. Oh, big ones. Cross the bridge. Oh. I should say cross under the bridge. I don't think you can bring your dogs here because I don't see any. Next to the Japanese garden, there's a huge park. What? You can buy plants here? Wow. It's so pretty. Wow. Quite many choices. But I don't think I can keep them alive. I haven't been in Japan for years and I'm very happy with today's experience. If you enjoyed this video, could you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and follow my Instagram. I'll see you next time. Bye!